We all have bad days when nothing is working and everything is against us. When we are asking, why me? When we are tired and about to give up. But the question is, why do we have bad days? It is not because you are going through the tough phase. No, it's not because it was supposed to be that way. It is because you made it a bad day. Let me give you an example. It's a nice bright day. You get up in the morning, attend the college, and receive a bad grade. That evening, you have your final badminton match, and you lose that from a huge margin. As you reach your down frustrated, you have a little quarrel with a friend, which then turns into a big fight. And then just before going to bed, you realize that it was such a bad day. Let me tell you, there's no such thing as a bad day. It is a subconscious mind that always assumes it as a bad day. Everything that happens is a product of what you think. You're here watching this video on the basis of what you thought a while ago. So how to avoid these bad days? Let me introduce you to the 100% formula. So you lost the badminton match, not because the other player was better than you. It was because you were not giving your 100%. Your mind was distracted and was still stuck in counting the consequences of that bad exam. Then you fought with your friend, not because you were actually angry at him. It was because the distractions had accumulated, preventing you from thinking clearly. Your mind was being overburdened with continuous failures, and therefore, you just spilled all the frustration onto your friend. So whatever your 100% looks like, give it. You will boost your performance and excel in whatever you do. When that happens, every day will be a good day.